Drink this to lose 30 pounds in 3 weeks. Here is how. Pineapple skin is often discarded, but it has extreme benefits. It helps to improve your metabolism and aids digestion. Its healing properties maintain the overall health of your digestive tract. Pineapple flesh contains an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme helps in metabolizing protein, which in turn helps burn away the excess belly fat. Cucumber is a natural coolant that prevents dehydration. It is known to reduce blood sugar and prevent some complications of diabetes. Ginger is a warming spice that helps with circulation. It inhibits how much fat your gut absorbs, and helps control your appetite. Lemon is alkalizing and detoxifying. It's an astringent in the body and thus, acts as a perfect fat blaster. Have this drink twice daily. Once in the morning on an empty stomach, and once in the evening. In addition to being an excellent fat burner, this drink will also help with digestive issues such as constipation, bloating, and water retention. Check our Insta for recipe.